Hello and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to change the background of any image that you have whatsoever. So without much ado, let's dive into the video. I will be using Firefox browser for this video. So let's go to Google and type in www.remove.bg and click go, and it will bring you to this page. So now let's scroll down. So here, click here to upload the image that you want to change the background. So let's click. Now it will take you to your device browser to pick which video or which image you want to bring up. So I want to use this image. I click on that and it opens. Okay. There we are. It has removed the background. Now, if you desire to make use of this image as it is, you click on download, and here you have two options. You have paid options and you have free options. So I'm going to choose the free option. The paid option obviously will give you a better, higher quality of image. So I'm going to click on free. So immediately, can you see it has downloaded it to one of my phones, my download folder on my device. So now what else can we do with our image? You can decide to put another background. So here you have background. So let's click on this. So here we have, you can also scroll down, variety of background that you can pick from. So let's explore this one first. Even though you have three options, magic, photo, and color. Before we go ahead, this is the photo. Varieties of photos that you can put in the background of your image. Now let's go to color. Here are varieties of colors that you can place in the background of your image. So you can choose either of either of these three choices. But let's explore photo first. You click on photo. Okay, let's go. Let's now, oh, I like this. Let's pick this one. You click on that and let's see what it will do. You will have to wait till this circling stops. That is showing you that it's trying to download that. Good. Click on X here and voila, this is beautiful. So now you have this in the background of your image. Let's click download free version and instantly it downloads this for us. So guys, with the background, let's go there again. So no, I don't see instantly it changes the background to this. So you can see, click, and as you go, you have varieties of photos to pick from. So now let's explore color. So let's choose, no, I think I would like to choose this one. Click OK. And with this, the good thing about this one is that you can even change the colors here. So you can decide to pick this, you can decide to pick any color up here, and then you click OK. So let me go back to the blue one. I think I prefer the blue one. Okay. So I click OK and click X here so that it will bring down this Wow, this is a big contrast. So there you are. So you have a choice of whether you want photo or plain colored background. Also have one more options to explore. Let's go back to background. Can you see it says here magic? Hold on. Yes, it says there magic. Let's close this. So let's explore what magic is all about. Let's click on magic. The magic option is not responding. I think it's a network issue. So let's now explore here. Here shows go back. This will flip you back to all the colors, all the different backgrounds that you have tried. Let's go. Can you see? Wonderful. So guys, I will make another video exploring the other options we have like magic. But for this video, you can see that I have shown you how to change the background of any image that you have. Either you want to change the background to a photo or you want to change the background to a plain color. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now.